Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today we are reviewing a product from CARABC about the Apple CarPlay Wireless Adapter. This product is very budget friendly and is very easy to use. I would highly recommend this for most brands and also most MG vehicles. Unfortunately, not including the MG3 electric vehicle. I will explain that in this particular video for you. Small disclaimer about this product. I got this product for free from CARABC, but this is not sponsored video. They do not review my video before I publish. This is my fair review about the product. First part, I'll show you how the package looks like. In the small box, you'll find 4 things. First thing is your user manual. On your left, it's the instruction. On your right, it's how to update and solve the problem on this particular device. Second thing, you find your CARABC adapter. It's very small, very light, very easy to carry. It's only a palm, less than palm size, so to speak. On your CARABC adapter, you find the indicator over here, means it's connecting, it's connected, all sorts of things. On your top, just a USB-C connection. The build quality, it's on the cheap level, so it's all plastic, obviously, but it's light. And underneath, you get a small padding, so the rubber seal, so that just helps it's laying on the surface, it's not going to bounce around. You can obviously store it in your cup holder, anything like that. Otherwise, fairly simple. Next, we do have 2 cables. One cable is USB-C to USB-A. This is applicable for most MG vehicles. And then we do have USB-C to USB-C. This is applicable for maybe newer vehicles or other brands or newer cars in the future. Where to purchase and what's the price for this product? You can purchase this product from Amazon, simply search CARABC, or you can purchase this product from CARABC website. I'll leave a link down below. This is not an affiliate link, I do not get anything, so do find the best price wherever you can. On the CARABC website, they will give you some different vouchers. You can use my discount voucher down below as well if you wish. So use the one with the maximum discount, whichever you can. They do offer pretty much free shipping worldwide. For the pricing in New Zealand, this currently costs just under 100 New Zealand dollars on the website before the discount. After discount, you will be getting about $75 in New Zealand. Next part is how to connect. On this vehicle, it's going to go through the USB-A, so we're going to go to the standard USB cable and connect to the device. Once it's connected, you'll see the light flashing and then turn to blue. When it's blue color, it means it's trying to connect and it's talking to the screen. On your screen, this will pop up. If this doesn't pop up, go to home screen and you can see the Apple CarPlay icon. Go to the Apple CarPlay, this thing pops up. That means this has been connected to the device, to this vehicle. Next, we want to go to our phone and go to the settings under Bluetooth. Under the Bluetooth, we will need to find a smart box with the code underneath. Let's say this particular device, and we want to click. So it's going to try to talk to this device. Of course, we want to pair, and you can allow or disallow whichever you like. I can allow it, doesn't matter. Once it's allowed, it will ask you, would you wish to use this as Apple CarPlay? In our instance, obviously use. Just like that, the Apple CarPlay screen is on the MG screen. Without our phone connect to the cable at all. So wireless Apple CarPlay is connected. Once you connect it, it's fairly simple. You can use all the functions on this device. Let's say go to home screen, you can push and hold for your Siri. If your phone has Hey Siri available, you can do Hey Siri in between whenever you like, just like that. It's already popped up. Other things, you can do your music, you can do all the sorts of navigation, whichever you like. So it has all the information you can have with the Apple CarPlay screen. The function, very easy to use, and the response time is just as fast as your cable connection, no difference at all. Additionally, because it's using a wireless Apple CarPlay, you will see your battery on the top, because obviously your phone will not be charging using the Apple CarPlay function. We can go back home and test the Apple CarPlay again, just like that. Everything works really well. Now let's quickly test the speed of the connection when you start up. have my phone sitting here, cable is connected for the adapter. Of course, the screen does take a while to actually activate, to boot up, so ignore this particular time while the screen is booting up. What we want to calculate is after the screen booting up, see how fast the connection will be. That's so fast, and it's already connected, just like that. This time is actually a little bit faster when I started than what I've done in the morning, but again, it's very smooth. Generally speaking, I would start the car, reverse the driveway and drive out. It would start. Normally it takes about 10 to 20 seconds before it actually boot itself, but yeah, very smooth. And then just like that, navigation, everything is all there. So pretty good for the connection. User face is very easy as well. There's no other secondary menu or something like that. It's just easy CarPlay connection, easy cable, easy management. I've never actually had a drop off on this particular device, so that's really good. I've tested these on MG HS, MG ZS, and MG ZST. They all work brilliantly. Alright, last thing is what's my verdict. The good thing about this product, it's easy to carry, very light, easy to use interface, good connection speed or even fast connection speed, and the price is very budget friendly. Bad things, the product itself is reasonably light, so unfortunately if you drop it, it may break. It's only a small concern due to the product, design and all that things, but it's just what you get. Second thing, this unfortunately does not work very well on the MG4 when I tested. I only tested one car on the MG4 lineup, and which is the 64 Essence. We had a demo. I've been using this for 1 week on that particular demo. Every single time when I start the vehicle, it does not automatically connect. Although the adapter actually connects to the screen, I have to use my phone to connect to this device. Occasionally, I have to unplug and plug again. But speaking of that, apart from MG4, all the other MG vehicles I've tested on the HS, ZST, and ZS works really well. I've never had a problem with any of the other functions. Hopefully the manufacturer will be able to fix this problem on the MG4. I've sent them a small request as well. So if they do fix, I will drop a link down below. I will let you know my long-term review on this as well, hopefully. So yeah, if you have any other MG cars, if you want a really good budget-friendly and reliable Apple CarPlay adapter, I would recommend this. But for MG4 at this stage, probably no. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the contents, hope you enjoyed the channel. If you do not forget to subscribe and like. That would be really helpful for the channel. I will see you next video.